Hungary's recent actions and statements have raised significant concerns within the European Union, prompting questions about the bloc's unity and future direction. Hungary's EU presidency and controversial stance from July 1st to December 31st, 2024, Hungary held the rotating presidency of the Council of the European Union. During this period, Prime Minister Viktor Orban adopted the slogan, "Make Europe Great Again," reflecting a nationalist agenda reminiscent of former U.S. President Donald Trump's rhetoric. Orban's leadership raised apprehensions among EU officials about Hungary's commitment to EU laws and values, given its history of challenging EU principles. Relations with Russia and China. Hungary's foreign policy, particularly its relationships with Russia and China, has been a point of contention. Prime Minister Orban has maintained close ties with Moscow, opposing EU sanctions against Russia following its invasion of Ukraine. He has argued that such sanctions could harm the EU's economy more than Russia's. Cite Turn News 12. Additionally, Hungary has strengthened its relationship with China, including easing visa restrictions for Chinese nationals and signing cooperation agreements with Chinese law enforcement. These actions have led European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen to express concerns about potential security risks to the EU. Cite Turn News 15. Domestic policies and EU criticism. Domestically, Hungary has faced criticism for policies perceived as undermining democratic norms, including issues related to media freedom, judicial independence, and minority rights. These internal policies have strained Hungary's relations with EU institutions, leading to debates about the country's adherence to the EU's foundational values. Implications for the EU's future. Hungary's actions have sparked discussions about the EU's cohesion and future. The country's divergent foreign policy and domestic approaches challenge the EU's unified stance on critical issues, such as responses to international conflicts and adherence to democratic principles. As the EU navigates these challenges, Hungary's role within the bloc remains a focal point in discussions about Europe's direction and unity. In summary, Hungary's recent policies and positions have prompted significant debate within the EU, raising concerns about the bloc's unity and the adherence of member states to shared values and objectives.